Hi royalties, this is Tammy, Glam Queen of DIY, and in today's video I am going to show you how to decorate and style a room using DIY room decor and glam accessories. Now if you want to see how I'm going to take DIY room accessories and decorate a glamorous room, you know what to do. Stay tuned. Welcome back royalties, and if you're new here, welcome. And here on the Glam Queen of DIY, you will get glam high-end DIYs, a little bit of home renovations, a few tablescapes, and a little home decor. Now if you like home decor, you must check out our other channel, the Glam Queen of Decor, where it's a overload of everything home decor. And today's video is part of a close collaboration, and it is the Summer Around the Clock DECOR-A-THON. Now this Summer Around the Clock DECOR-A-THON is hosted by the one and only lovely SHANGIE'S Home Decor and Lifestyle. I'm dropping her link in my description box, and it is a few of us that is participating in this collaboration. What you have to do is make sure that you click the link in the top of the description to go to the next participant's video. Now with that being said, let's continue with this Summer DECOR-A-THON video. And again, as you can see, I'm styling my master bedroom. Enjoy the music as I get this room together for the summer. And two, make sure you check out my spring home tour and my spring room tour videos. I'm dropping those links in my description box. And everything that is in this room that was created with my hands, all of my DIY wall decor and home decor, I'm dropping those links as well. So make sure you check on those links so you can get you some more inspirational content. And all of my purchase home decor links will be down in my description box. And two, if you're still watching this video and you haven't joined this Royal Glam family, I do need you to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap that bell twice and you'll know every time I am uploaded. And please share this channel with your friends and family and tell them go ahead and become a part of this glamorous family. And to everyone, for this summer DECOR-A-THON, I would love to give homage to all of the creators for this. Again, SHANGIE'S Home Decor and Lifestyle is the host, and the co-host is myself, Glam Queen of DIY. It'll be followed by Love is the Main Key Erica, Glam Tam from Love My Babies Forever, Karen Rucker from Living Better with Style with Karen, and SHAWNI from SHAWNI on the Spot. Thank you, wonderful ladies, for helping this collaboration to be spectacular. To everyone, make sure you go check out all of these ladies' videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you're not, let them know that the Glam Queen of DIY sent you over to be part of their wonderful family. And two, we're getting ready to start our live DIY and chat back up. Drop me a comment to let me know which days you would prefer to do the live DIY and which day you would prefer to do the live chat. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. We do need that here to keep this channel growing. Also share this channel with your families and friends. It is truly appreciated. I would love to thank the host, SHANGIE'S Home Decor and Lifestyle, for this collaboration and all of the content creators that participated. I would also like to thank everyone that is watching this playlist with us. And then if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed, and always, no matter what happens in life, you must stay positive.